Hi, top afternoon, followers of Brave Group PNG. I am here to say two of our vehicles that arrived today, fully kitted. Let me give you a tour of these vehicles and yeah, for your information, what kind of vehicles that we are importing at the moment. This is a trooper, 10-seater trooper that arrived today. It's fully kitted. So you can see the wheels and the protections. Products of this vehicle. This is the trooper. I'll go around the interior of the trooper. It's all V8 J79 powered by 202 horsepower. Two wheels at the back. We got a roof rack right on top. All right, see the protection. All right, this is the trooper, and let me continue with the double cab four-door that we just prepared, and then more to come. This is the first one that arrived today. Okay, this is the four-door double cabin. All right, the interior, and then the tow mirror there. Okay, the wheel system. Okay, at the back. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound, Dallas. It roars like a lion, a male lion, you know, it's a very powerful vehicle. Okay, if you are interested in this kind of powerful vehicles, then you may come to our office, Morocco, at the back of Galaxy Club. And you may also leave a comment there. Also inbox us so that we can keep in touch with the new stuff. We are local Papua New Guineans. This is our first project, and there are more beautiful vehicles like this one coming. Also, the troopers, very powerful. We lift it up, and then it's ready to go, good to go. All right, why not support us, Brave Group PNG? Well.